What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Bigtoneproductions, Beats and Feasts. And you know what time it is. It means it's time for another cooking video. And today, I'm gonna be honest with you. I was lost for something to cook. I didn't wake up in time. I didn't take anything out of the freezer. But just luckily, our local Kroger and many other stores have that where you can call in your shopping list, your grocery shopping, and you can pick it up. So that's what I did after work. So today we're going to show you probably the quickest and easiest meal, and I hope you enjoy it and you fix it for your family. We're doing pressure cooker frozen ravioli with a meat sauce. So simple, so easy, so quick, and I bet your family's going to love it. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video, share the video, and hey, let's get started with some frozen ravioli and meat sauce. The ingredients are really simple.
Go get in the refrigerator, give me the chopped meat.
I just got a pound of ground beef from the store. I got a pound of mild Italian sausage. You can use whichever one you want. Sweet, the hot, whatever you like. I got my favorite Prego spaghetti sauce. I got 2 of them. Then I got my frozen ravioli. They didn't have the kind I wanted, so I got the just a regular generic brand. This is cheese ravioli. I got my garlic. No, you're gonna have to doctor this up. I got my Italian seasoning, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of chili powder, some ground pepper, some pink Himalayan sea salt, my vegetable oil, and then I got 1 onion over here cut up. Gotta doctor this up, guys. So it's a real simple, real quick, very easy in the power pressure cooker. So let's get started putting this together. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil to the bottom of the pressure cooker. Just a little there. Because the first thing I'm gonna saute here is I got my power pressure on saute mode or brownie mode or however you wanna call it. But I got the pressure cooker on there and I'm gonna throw in my onions here. So that's 1 large onion cut up. Like I said, you gotta doctor this up a little bit. And we're gonna let those sear off for just a moment here. So the onions are searing up nicely, starting to turn a little bit translucent. So to the onions, we're gonna add our ground beef. 1 pound of ground beef. There we go. We're gonna chop that up a little bit. And then we're gonna add our sausage to it. This is 1 pound of mild Italian sausage. I cut them up in cubes because when they came from the store they were a little bit frozen, so I cut them up a little bit. So we're gonna brown this off. It's gonna take about 5, maybe 6 minutes or so. We're gonna brown off the meat, and then we'll get to the rest of it. See the meat starting to brown up nicely. Once it gets to about this point, I'm just gonna start doctoring it up. I'm putting in a large heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. And I'm gonna add some salt, some pink Himalayan sea salt. Season up my ground beef a little bit there. Boy, it smells good, guys. Add a little bit of black pepper. Mix it up a little bit. And there's 1 ingredient I didn't tell you guys, and I should have, because I just thought about it, that I like to add to this, a little bit more black pepper, which is some garlic powder. Gotta have a little bit of garlic powder, along with the minced garlic. We're gonna mix that up real good. There we go. So now you see the ground beef and the pork is browned off really nicely there. Essentially, that's done cooking almost. The next thing we're going to add is our 2 bottles of Prego spaghetti sauce. I'm going to add that right to the mixture. And let me add my second one. So we're going to mix this up real good. Look at that meat sauce. Okay, so now we're going to doctor up the meat sauce a little bit. Quite a bit of Italian seasoning here. We're going to sprinkle quite a bit of Italian seasoning in there. We're going to do a dash of chili powder. No, I'm not making chili, but a little bit of a dash of that. We're going to stir that up a little bit. And then we're going to add a little bit of cumin. And that's enough cumin. All right. Oh my God, that smells good. Let me get my taste testing spoon here. Always taste your food. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to add the raviolis. We're going to add a whole 24-ounce bag of these to it. Going to mix them up in there. And these are only going to take just a few minutes to cook under pressure. Very short amount of time. We're just going to go ahead and put the lid on it here. And as you know, we're going to lock it down if you watch my other videos. Line up the line and the arrow. Like I said, my pressure cooker on high is default to 15 minutes. So it is only going to take about 2 minutes to 3 minutes to cook these raviolis. You don't want to overcook them. So I'm putting it in for 15 minutes, but I'll be back in 3 minutes. I'll check them, make sure that they're right, and I'll serve this thing up. 3 minutes under pressure. The ravioli are nice and tender, not falling apart though. Saturated in meat sauce. So I'm going to plate this up for you guys. This is an easy meal for the weeknight when you don't feel like doing anything when you get home. Some ravioli, cheese ravioli, and meat sauce in the power pressure cooker. Takes less than 5 minutes to actually do. This is perfect for those busy nights when you don't feel like doing nothing. So I don't want to hear, oh, I need to stop at McDonald's. You can do this super, super quick. You can order your food online, pick it up at the grocery store, come home and do it. Be done in 15 minutes. But you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Frozen ravioli, cheese ravioli, and the meat sauce takes less than 15 minutes to do. And I don't want to hear about the McDonald's story. Just go on to the grocery store, order your food online, pick it up. You can do it at home. Tastes like you're in Little Italy, but I'm going to take a bite. You know what I'm waiting on. This is hot. Get a little of this meat sauce. Oh man, your family's gonna love it. A little bit of the fried cheese garlic bread. Go ahead and try this for your family. Quick, easy meal in the power pressure cooker or Instapot, whatever you like to do. Hey guys, if you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Share the video. And hey guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.